Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says two players P1 and P2 plays a game against each other. So, there are two players P1 and P2. Suppose P1 is me and P2 is you guys, and we guys are playing a game. In every round of the game, each player rolls a fair dice. This is dice. Okay? Fair dice. Once. Okay, suppose you are throwing a dice, I am throwing a dice. Where the six faces of the dice have six distinct numbers. Okay? Now, you understood, I hope you understood these things. Now, look at this. Let X and Y denotes the reading on the dice rolled by P1 and P2 respectively. So suppose I'm like my score will be reflected by X, your score will be reflected by Y. Okay, now look at the case. If X means my score is bigger than yours, okay, so if my score is bigger than yours, I will get 5 points, you will get 0 points. If X and Y are equal, then we will share points to each. Means you will get 2 points, I'll get 2 points. If your score is bigger than mine, then I will score 0, you will score 5 points. Let Xi and Yi be the number of scores, total score of P1 and P2 respectively after playing ith round. So suppose if it is 5, this means after playing 5th round, after playing 5 rounds, what is the score of X? Means P is represented by Xi. What is the score gained by person 2, P2, will be reflected by Yi. I hope the idea is clear. Okay, now what I will do, I will try to create this game according to my point of view. Okay, so from point of view of X, sorry, P1, point of view of P1. Okay, so what will be the case? P will win, winning case है ना, then draw means lose. Okay, or draw. Okay, so look at this. You know that I'll throw a dice, you will throw a dice. So total number of combination would be what? 36. Out of these 36, in some game I will win, in some game you will win, in some game it is draw. So first I will try to count the draw cases. So in if I'll get, if we share 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6, it's a draw game. So there are 6 cases. Now there is 30 more cases left, in which in 15 cases you will win, in 15 cases I will win, because it's a fair dice. Okay, so it should be symmetric. So 15 I will win, 15 I will lose. Okay, now jump on to the question part. Now I'll try to solve the first part. Now in first part they are saying that the score by player 1 after playing 2 games, either it should be greater or it should be equal to y2. Now look at this point. Like you have played only 2 games. So what I will do, I will manually write down all the cases. If it is greater cases, I will use permutation combination for that. Now look at this. So suppose that I want to win. Okay. So what I will do, I will win both the rounds. It's possible. Suppose that one match I won and second match it's a draw. So I will get 4 point, you will get 0 point. In second game you will get 2, I will get 2. So I'm getting 6 points, so I won. Then it can also be the case draw win, permutation is allowed. So 2 to each, 4 and 0. So again I am scoring 6 points, you are at 2. Now for equality case, it should be what? Can we go with draw and draw? So first I have counted all the cases where I won the game, and then it's a draw, equal case. So for win it is 15 by 36, 15 by 36 plus 15 by 36, and draw is 6 by 36. Now draw is 6 by 36, win is 15 by 36, and then 6 by 36, 6 by 36. You have to take common, you have to simplify. So for simplification you should always go with commons, and also don't multiply, rather simplify things. Okay, so this would give you the answer for first part. Now second. Okay, calculation is on you guys. Now in second case they are saying that after playing two games, person 1 should score greater points than person 2. So if I will remove this case where it was equal, it's a win for person 1, है ना? So can I say that it is x2 greater than y2? So can I say it is win-win, win-draw, and draw-win? I hope the idea is clear. Okay. Now let's jump on. Now you have to place. For win, you have to place 15 by 36. For draw, you will place 6 by 36. Now third game means third question. The third question is after playing 3 games, score should be equal. x3 should be equal to y3. So when it is possible? So it is possible if it's a draw, draw, and draw. Okay. Now suppose that we have this case. One game I lose. So if I lose, I'll get 0, you will get 5. I won. I will get 5, you will get 0. It's a draw. So 2 each. So 7 points each. And you know that this LWD can be written in so many ways. Means win, lose, draw. Draw, lose, win. So we have to permute these three things. LWD. So all letters are different. So it can be permuted how many times? 3 factorial times. Okay. So win. So for win it is 15 by 36. For lose 15 by 36. And for draw it is 6 by 36. So this is the case when we guys will be equal. I hope the idea is clear. Okay. Now let's jump on to the fourth part. So in fourth part they are expecting x3 to win the game. So P of x3 greater than y3 means person 1 will score greater point than y. Second person. Okay. So when it is possible, if all game is won by me, okay, and then in two games I win, and if I win, it's ultimate you lose, है ना? So suppose that in two games I won two games, I won, and second is lose 5-0, 5-0, and it's a loss. So it's a loss means what? 0 and 5. Okay. So 2 game won by, so it's a 10 point. This is correct. 2 won, 1 lose. Huh. This is also correct. So can I say that? And this can be done how many ways? 3 factorial by 2 factorial. Why? Because win-win is equal, no? Win-win means two letters are same. And then 1 lose. So 3, so it is 3 times. So can I write 3 times win, win, lose? Also win, win, draw. So 5-0, 5-0, 2-2. Okay, so it is 3 times, again same cases, win, win, draw. Okay, or we can also go with win, draw, draw. है ना? So win, draw, draw. And this can also be done in 3 ways. Win, draw, draw. Now substitute the points to get the final result. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.